crystal. Hexagon Island. Keep playing to collect more. Puzzle Palace. Welcome to Puzzle Palace, where Numberblocks can experiment and play with shapes. Piece together each Numberblock shape to earn pirate treasure. Aha! It's Numberblock 32.
Ha-ha! Can you help this Numberblock piece together their shape?
Drag in the pieces to see where they fit inside the shape on the grid. You can rotate the shapes and move them around to help them fit. Well done, shipmates. I take my hat off to you. Excellent! Great job! You built the shape! Ha-ha! The Numberblocks are enjoying their training session. It's Numberblock 45.
Ha-ha! Can you help this Numberblock piece together their shape?
Great job! Well done, shipmates. Well done. Well done. You completed the puzzle. Oh, that's how you help train Numberblocks. It's Numberblock 49.
Ha-ha! Can you help this Numberblock piece together their shape?
Great job! Well done, me hearties. You've done it! Great job, shipmate! Well done! You completed the puzzle. You're a Numberblock shapes expert. Hexagon Island. You've won part of a crystal. Excellent Numberblocks training. Keep training your Numberblocks. Tens and ones. Welcome, shipmate. You've discovered the tens and ones training zone, where Numberblocks made of tens and ones are put through their paces by Numberblock 10. Can you help Numberblock 10 train the Numberblocks? Make the Numberblocks break apart into tens and ones by shouting, "Split!" Can you help Numberblock 10 train the Numberblocks so they know how many tens and ones they're made of? Drag the correct tens and ones onto the grid to put the Numberblock back together again. Rebuild the Numberblocks correctly to earn some pirate treasure. Ha-ha! Excellent work! You rebuilt Numberblock 32. Great job! You rebuilt Numberblock 45. Well done, shipmate. I take my hat off to you. You rebuilt Numberblock 49. You're a tens and ones expert. Hexagon Island. Keep playing to collect more.
Let's play. Where are all of the number blocks? Can you find them? You found one.
Let's roll. Time for rhymes and skips and tricks.
Try looking to the left. An 8-legged spider spinning a spider web. You found another number block.
I am 3. Look at me.
Do you know which number block you'll make when you add these 2 number blocks together? Great! Now can you add the number blocks together?
6, 3. 6 plus 3 equals
9.
Great! You made a new number block. A football goal.
A football.
I am 9 and I feel fine.
The number block was hiding behind a tree. A basketball. A chicken.
One block.
Which number block do you think adding these together will equal? Great! Add the number blocks together.
9.
1
9
plus 1 equals 10.
Great!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Congratulations! You have revealed a sandcastle. Home.